3, 2, 1.
Our story begins with Walter Knott, who created Ghost Town, and Calico was the story of his family coming out as pioneers to the west. Potts and Coulter, who are two explorers, and they've opened up a rafting and supply company, and this will allow guests and new settlers to travel the Calico River, find a piece of land, and settle there. Once we have our treatment and our story, we reached out to Garner Holt, who collaborated so well with us on our mine ride attraction and our redo of our Timber Mountain log ride, and we knew that they were the folks to help us.
In making Calico River Rapids part of the ghost town, I think one of the things that we would pay attention to is keep it as an entire community and keep the continuity of all these people together. And you don't want to have a bear over here look like a cartoon bear, and then this bear over in this ride doesn't match. You know, it all has to kind of look like the same group.
When we approached the Rapids attraction, we thought of commercial and urban ghost town as the places where people live and work. But what came before that? And it was the Calico River territory.
From start to finish, we have about 8 months. From concept art to the electronics. Without one of those gears, the character's not going to fool the audience.
Once we have a physical version of the digital sculpture, we can make a mold out of it and then lay up in fiberglass, something that gives us the positive version. At the same time, our mechanical department is designing the skeletons that really make the animatronics move and work. We use a specialized miniature animatronic controller in order to keep our movements accurate, and those output to pneumatic valves like this, where each one of these represents a single motion on the animatronic character. All this is very robust. It's made for millions and millions of cycles.
I think riders are going to be able to find new things every time they go on. An attraction that's been such a part of the Knott's Berry Farm experience for so long now has a story, and it takes on a little more than an attraction to just get wet, but you can actually live in a world that wasn't there before.